Anyway, I am Apple Peña, your lingkod. Kung naman hindi nyo ako kilala lahat, ako po si Apple Peña as a Senior Marketing Director ng IMG. IMG, ang main office po natin is located in Makati. So, IMG stands for International Marketing Group. We are teaching about the financial education. IMG is a financial industry. So, thanks to you dahil nandito kayo at na-request nyo ako ulit. Kinulit nyo ako, okay? So, IMG, meron tayong campaign na 30 million by 2020, 30, magkaroon tayo ng 30 million people na na-educate na ni IMG. And you are the guest now. You are the part now. Okay? Then ask to your inviter your gift. Yes, may gift ka talaga. Meron kang magkukuhang gift sa kanya. So, yes, a financial education. Bakit kailangan natin pag-aralan? Because financial education is not an option. It is necessity. Kailangan talaga natin to. And IMG, International Marketing Group, ay nag-i-educate talaga tayo nito, no? So, empowering 30 million families by 2030. IMG, where innovation meets inspiration. Alam naman natin na ngayon ay lahat na is makabago. Innovation na talaga. So, you need to upgrade ourselves also through learning of financial education for you to have a strong financial. Okay? So, number 1 na pag-aaralan natin is a challenging major future. Marami tayong mga challenges sa buhay, but we need to understand what is the major areas na kailangan i-priorities natin at ito talaga ang ating kakaharapin in the near future. Number 1 is uncertain labor market. Automation of powerful software continues to replace and more workers. Manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. In short, ano ang magiging epekto nito sa atin as human labor? Sinabi dito, uncertain labor market is easily to change the human labor to robotic or the machine. As OFW, is easy sa atin na mangyari to. May kontrata tayo na 2 years. What if today, holiday natin, bukas o mamaya uuwi tayo, sabihin ni amo, you are not, hindi na namin kailangan, ikaw na i-renew. Are you ready? Kasi hindi ka na niya i-renew, it's because meron na tayong mga vacuum na, like vacuum, machine na rin yun. Wala nang taong nagagamit, meron ng folding machine, etc. They change easily from human to computerized. So, handa ka na ba? Napalitan na tayo ng mga robotic or machine. So, we are lucky because ING is here. We are guiding to prepare in that kind of situation. Klaro? Klaro. Number 2, na kinakaharap natin is the low savings and high debt have a major impact on retirement. Many people behind 65 years old is still working. Why? If you are personally talk to them, tanungin mo sila, bakit nagtatrabaho ka pa? They don't like it anymore to work until 65 years old. Pero bakit nangyayaring ganon? It's because they didn't prepare for their retirement. Matagal na nagtrabaho sa iba't ibang company. Matagal na nagtrabaho as OFW. Naglipat-lipat lang ang other country. But they didn't prepare for their retirement. That's why, even 65 years old, they need to work hard for sa sarili nila or pati yung pagsuporta pa sa kaapu-apuhan. That is very wrong talaga. So, kailangan aalamin natin talaga yon. You need to prioritize yourself bago yung iba. Kasi, ang Pinoy kasi, you work hard, tumataas din yung gastos mo. But in terms of savings mo, wala kang nasisave. Mas malataas sa atin ang utang. Kailangan you are here, you are learning about the financial education, baliktarin mo siya. Kailangan ito ang tataas sa'yo. Kailangan pataasin mo ang savings mo and do it talaga na pababain mo yung utang. Lahat naman tayo dumaan sa utang. Tama? But kailangan nating aralin yan to manage it. Number 3, the major area is the high cost of education as well as lack of preparation for college planning will hurt the younger generation. True? Tingnan natin sa ating environment sa Pilipinas. Mga Pilipino, ignore nila ang education. Kasi yung mindset natin iba. Bahala na. Matagal pa yon. Matagal pa yon. Binubuntis pa lang, baby shower na. Kasi, saka na yon. Ang importante, yung ngayon. Yun ang mindset natin sa karamihang Pilipino. That is very wrong. Kailangan, the moment na nag-engage kayo to married, kailangan pinaplano na rin ang education. Kasabay na yon. Now, lahat naman nasa tayo dito, siguro may mga anak, no? Hindi na, kailangan na natin educate din yung anak natin. Oh, you are getting married, you are planning to have family. Kailangan, i-advise mo na to, na i-prepare na agad nila yung education ng kanilang magiging anak. Kasi, mas mahirap pag hindi natin to na i-prepare. Ikaw mismo, as a parent, if you never prepare the education, ikaw ang number one na nagbigay frustration sa anak mo. If your children ask you, Mommy, I want to become doctor. Gusto ko mag-enroll ng doktor. Kaya mo? As a domestic helper, without preparation ng education, of course, kakayanin mo, pero lagi mo isasuggest, pwede ba maghanap ka na lang muna ng iba ng courses? But that is the really, yun yung talagang gusto ng anak mo. So, na siya. Hindi mo na naibigay yung gusto niya talaga. So, kailangan preparation for education. Number 1 yun. Okay? So, number 4 is increasing cost of living. Make many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. When their needs arise emergency, ano ang nagiging option nila? Maghanap ng utang. Mauutangan. Okay? Kasi, increasing cost of living is every year, the inflation rate is getting higher and higher. Iko-complain ng karamihan sa government. It's not the fault of the government. It's the part of our living na yung ating inflation talaga ay tataas yun. So, kailangan, you need to find a solution how to defeat yung inflation rate. Evaluate mo how many times nag-i-increase ang sweldo mo. But the cost of living, tuloy-tuloy, di ba? Tayo dito, ilang taon na walang increase. Tanda nyo? Kailan yung huling increase natin? Wala. Pero yung cost of living na control, hindi. Kahit may pandemic, pataas pa rin, di ba? So, kailangan natin yan i-manage. We need to understand, living in the wealthiest country in the world like US, many people may still retired poor. Maraming nawiwindang dito. Maraming naliligwak. Alam nila, punta ako ng US for me to have a good future. No. Kahit pumunta ka ng US, umalis ka ng Hong Kong, pumunta ka ng Canada, para gusto mo yumaman, no. It's not the solution to transfer in any country. The solution for you to have wealth, you need to work hard, and you need to learn financial education para ma-manage yun. Hindi talaga nakasalalay sa bansa. Okay? So, yon ang major challenging future natin sa buhay. And we need to understand also how to control our future.